Y'all ready in the back? All right, let's go. So, announcements. First of all, for our off-campus students.
This is a graduate course in sustainable design of technology systems. So we're trying to teach students about sustainable design.
You know, is this an example of a sustainable design or not? What do you think? Looks good.
Depends on those internal components and how they're handled more than anything, because those are all still.
Why do you say that?
I mean, a lot of the.
We got a tree here, man.
But a lot of the impact is coming from all those electronic components.
But this tree weighs a lot more than those components, right? No, you're onto it, right?
The class has 60 students. The majority are mechanical engineers. There are a significant number of environmental engineers, chemical engineers, and the notion of one engineer or one individual sitting behind a computer screen and achieving sustainable design is a bit of a fallacy. We want to get as many viewpoints into the design process as possible, as many students working together. They have complementary skills, and we try to accommodate those when we actually form the teams. Diversity is important from that standpoint, diversity of skills, making sure they're complementary in the team. That's important. We also distribute demographically, but also in terms of GPA. And we found that's important to avoid clusters of GPAs. What I try to do is create a situation where groups that might be a minority or underrepresented are not outnumbered on a team. You're not going to get a team of 4 women. Maybe it's 2 women and 2 men, right? And we try to work that way. I might prefer teams of 3. This is a large class. And so teams of 4 are manageable, and we have a long history of using teams of 4 in our senior design class in mechanical engineering, so that's a comfortable number. I can meet with each team, even though it's a big class, for 15 minutes each week, and actually the GSI can meet with them for another 15 minutes. So they actually get about a half an hour of strong input each week.
So you kind of said that in order for it to be sustainable, it obviously has to fall or be justified by the three pillars: environmental, economic, and
There's 4. It's got to work too.
Well, yeah.